Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your display name on Roblox using your Android device. Changing your display name is a great way to personalize your Roblox account, and it's super easy to do. So let's get started. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Open the app and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Step 2. Once you're on the main screen, tap the three dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open up the main settings menu. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your Roblox account. Step 4. In the Settings menu, select Account Info. This section will show you all your personal account details and settings. Step 5. Now tap the pencil icon next to Display Name. This is where you can edit your current display name and choose a new one. Step 6. Make your changes by typing in the new display name you want. After you've typed in your new display name, tap Save to confirm the change. Step 7. Keep in mind that your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So, make sure you're happy with your new name before saving it, and that's it. You've successfully changed your display name on Roblox. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new display name on Roblox.